Hey traders, it is 12:22. Pretty wild day in the market. Um, so we started out the day kind of flattish, red before the market opened, and then the report came out about the GDP final number for the quarter, and it was slightly stronger than perfect. And then the market tumbled, and there was so much confusion. And when I say tumbled, I'm not exaggerating. I think at the lowest I looked, the Nasdaq was almost down 4%. 2.5, 2.7% down on the S&P, and then we made a beautiful comeback. It was a wild day. There was a lot of losses and there were a lot of profits from both sides. So it's one of those unusual days. We've had one about, I don't know, 5, 6 weeks ago where both bulls and bears made a lot and lost a lot in the same day. Today we had some sort of a similar scenario. But anyway, this video, before I forget, if you like it, give it a like. If you want to discuss the contents, you can. The comment section is open. Let's keep it civil. And subscribe to the channel if you don't. And hit the bell so you get notified of me posting these videos. I'm going to post more. I haven't been posting a lot, but I restarted this week. So I'm going to be posting more. So here's the point of this video is to highlight the important to be ready for the day before the day starts. So I share a write-up to the members before the day even starts, and it's complete. And this is the price action on the 15 minutes, the S&P futures. So think SPX plus or minus. And we had so much hope for the day. That's yesterday and that's today. And this is where the trapdoor opened. So I expected downside. And my plan for the day, I had specific instructions, and it was along like bullet point. If this happens, I'm doing this. So 3 things, and I did them. And in the live with people watching my screen, 335 we had today, 332 people, and we traded it very well. Only for one reason, because we were ready. So the note that went out to everybody before the market opened had lines, and this looks arbitrary. It looks impossible to play. So let's put the lines. These, I have not touched these lines. Okay, this is what was there before the market opened. So I put lines where I thought they would be important battles. And here's one line. They battled for an hour over it. And then they lost footing. And then they battled 3/4 of an hour over this orange one. And they ended up dying at it with the recovery later. They battled for another hour here. And then they fell. And look at this. This box said buyers likely. This note was there before the market opened. You can verify that. Look at where they stopped today, magically. And how about you look left? So this is a level I've been eyeing for a few days. Is it coincidence? Maybe not. And again, these also were good paths, right? So we're not playing it blind. This line was here before they died here. If you're prepared and you know lines, so this makes it less likely for me to make mistakes. It would be less likely for me to close my longs here if I haven't yet, or to buy puts here to short the market. It would make it more likely for me to say I want to get long here, which we did for 2 reasons. Data and the options told me that we had upside pressure. I said upside pressure at 379. Within seconds, no joke, this is what happened. That's that same picture, upside pressure. Within seconds, that candle happened and this followed. This win was massive, and it's not a coincidence that it's inside this box. That's the same box right here. That zone is the same box, only for the SPY. So the moral of the story is get prepared if you're actively trading before the market opens. And the same concept extends to somebody who's not actively trading. What does that mean? So let's say you trade once in a while, like a couple times a week, but you are an active investor. So you're in the market. You just don't do it every day. Then you need to be ready on a weekly basis. So Sunday night, get ready. Lay out the week. I do it in video format for my people. 6 minutes, 7 minutes. It lays out the week. Last week's guidance was gold. This week's guidance is playing out perfectly. We have a goal. We will accomplish it by the end of next week, and we may have a good basis for a rally. Maybe yes, maybe no. We have benchmarks. Get prepared. Don't wing it. That's the point of this video. If you're winging it, you're an amateur, acting amateur. I'm not asking you to become a pro. Just act like a pro. Pros get ready. Pro tennis player practice. They don't just walk up and start swinging. Just as an example. All right, that's about it.